Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about 5 steps to start your phone cases brand online today. So here we'll be talking about that what you can do and what you should do to start your own phone cases brand online. Now phone cases brand, when we are talking about this, it basically means to print phone cases. Now how we are going to print the phone cases? It will be through using the 3D sublimation printing technique. So the first step you need to do is to go out in the market and research for it. Now when we talk about research, we basically mean that since you will be starting a new technology that is 3D sublimation printing technology to print the phone cases, so you need to go out in the market and see that what kind of demands are people actually having, what kind of sets they are owning, what kind of brands are they owning, what kind of phone cases you need for those sets and for those brands, and how many people are actually in need of phone cases. Although we all know that today there are lots of brands and lots of models available, and all these brands and models are such expensive that we all would obviously want to have phone cases for their protection. So it's obviously necessary for all of us to have the phone cases for our expensive phones. But again, since you will be doing this as a business, since you will be starting a brand of it, so you need to just go out in the market and see that what is the demand actually like, who are the other people who are also doing this kind of business, how they are doing, what they are doing, how are people responding to their business. So if you start with this bit of research regarding your business, then it will be more helpful for you. Step 2 is the procurement of the goods. Since in the online phone case branding, you don't really need to start with a business plan or something, so you can directly start with procuring the goods. Now when we talk about procuring the goods, the most important thing you need to know is what all goods are needed and how to get them. So what all goods are needed when you start a phone case brand is basically the ST3042 machine, which is the 3D sublimation vacuum heat press machine, the phone cases blanks, the molds, the dummies on which you will be testing, cooling tool. Now when we talk about cooling tool, it's a kind of tool that is useful for cooling down the printed phone cases. Sublimation paper is a specially formulated paper which actually is used in transferring the image from photo printers to the item on which you want to print. Heat resistant tape, sublimation ink. Sublimation ink is the special ink, it is not the normal ink which is used in the photo printer. And finally the photo printer machine, which you will be using to transfer the image from computer to the sublimation heat transfer paper. Now when we talk about how to get these products, an important part is to know that what kind of suppliers you can rely upon. When we talk about suppliers, you need to know that suppliers should be having good customer services, they should be having consistency over the products, that is the quality of the product should not be degrading over the period of time. The rate should be also competitive in the market. Another thing that you need to look into is what amount of investment are you willing to put in. So you need to search that what actually amount of investment or resources are you willing to put into this business from your side. Although from our experience, we can tell you that this entire business needs very less amount of investment and it has very less amount of risk involved. So you can easily start this brand without much of investment and without much of risk. Step 3 is the very process of starting the production. Now as we said that this process, this business requires very less space to start. You can actually start in a small room also. And when you start the process, start with few prints. Don't print ample covers all together. So why we are saying you to do this is because if you have few prints of varied models and varied sets, then you can actually go in the market and see that how are people responding to it, how much are they willing to buy it. And then how to start the process is just take a printout from the computer and transfer it on the mobile case and let it dry. And try some personalized covers too based on the demand. Just reach out to people and ask them that what their personalized demands would be regarding the phone cases covers, and you can actually produce that too. Step 4 is selling and marketing. Now when we talk about selling and marketing, one thing you need to understand is that you need to fix a price for your product. Now how can you fix a price? You can actually take the amount involved in procuring the goods and the entire production process, and you can add up the margin you want to set, and then you can fix the price. When we are talking about selling and marketing, another important thing is, since we are doing this on an online platform, so you need not to have a shop or some retailers or wholesalers for yourself. You can actually just start a website, or you can maybe just start with a small Facebook page, and there you can put up the products that you are producing, and then you can just share it with people around so that they know that what you are making and how all those products look like, and accordingly they can place their order online. Nowadays everything can be done online, from placing the order to getting it delivered to making the payments and everything. So you really need not to worry. You just need to have a good knowledge of internet and how to make the best use of it. And marketing, for marketing, one important thing to be noted is you need to have the best customer service to be delivered to your customers. You need to make sure that you are at their beck and call so that customers can rely on you and customers love your product. And also you need to make sure that you are available for them, and also you are providing the goods at the competitive prices. That is another very important thing. Step 5 is growth and expansion. When we talk about growth and expansion, you need to know that marketing will lead to growth. Good marketing will lead to good growth. If you are good at marketing, then obviously it will help you expand your business. And how will you do the marketing? Your marketing will be basically done by using the online forums. Since here we'll be dealing with online selling, so your marketing will also be done using online forums. And since you won't be actually seeing your customers, you'll be just virtually dealing with them, so you need to make sure that you provide them with the excellent customer services so that it can give you good marketing. Now when we talk about good marketing, it also involves post pre-sales. You need to make sure that you are there for your customer after you have sold out the product. Like for example, in phone cases, for example, if you sold out a product and the customer is in a trouble that the case is not fitting his phone, so you need to be there to help him out to either take back the phone cover or just tell him that how to resolve the problem. And also pre-sales, you need to be very transparent in your marketing. You need not to mention anything which you are not sure of about your product, so just be transparent and you will be good at it. We are basically a company, we are dealing with phone cases, and we are producing phone cases as well as we are dealing with inputs related to 3D sublimation printing process. You can reach us to our website at www.sublimationjoy.com, and also you can reach us at the phone number mentioned 9849612387. You can reach out to us for all the supplies related to sublimation printing, for example the supplies which we mentioned in the previous slides. And also you can reach out to us if you have any queries or demands related to sublimation products. We actually make sublimation products also, for example phone cases, phone covers, we make mugs, we also make badges and tiles. So you can reach out to us for any of the queries or demands. At the end, I would just like to add that please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can visit our website for any of the queries. Please do like and subscribe to the channel so that you are posted with all the new videos that we keep on adding into our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great